Now, this illustration deals with the grounding electrode conductor material, in accordance with NEC 250.62. Now, reviewing the information to the left of the drawing, notice the grounding electrode conductor. Well, it could be copper, aluminum, copper-clad aluminum. And then the next call out there says the material selected should be resistant to any corrosive condition existing at the installation, or suitable protection against corrosion has to be provided. That's very important. And then to the right, the call out says the conductor should be solid or stranded, insulated, cover, or bare. And it doesn't have to be green in color. It could be any color. There's no particular color call out for the grounding electrode conductor. Now, for the equipment ground, yes. 250.119 lists a color coding scheme and an identification scheme for the equipment grounding conductor, but no such requirement for the grounding electrode conductor. But the conductor should be installed in one continuous length without splice or joint. Now, that's the general rule in 250.64C. But should it be damaged in construction, during the construction stage, it could be spliced with a non-irreversible type connector. If the service was relocated, you could splice it in the same manner and extend it over to the new location of the service. But the general rule, it should be continuous in accordance with 250.62, and that's what this figure 16-79 is illustrating. But before we close out this illustration, notice that the green screw bonds the bar to the enclosure in accordance with 250.28B as in boy. But it could be a strap, it could be a conductor, it could be a bus bar. But if it's a screw, by the modern codes, it must have a green colored head, so it's easily located by an engineer, electrician, or an authority having jurisdiction. So that's what this illustration, 16-79, is illustrating.